In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a base 10 strategy using subtraction. And so I'm going to do a separate change unknown problem, which would be 134 subtract x equals 87. And base 10 blocks are manipulators that we use in class that they've probably used since first grade, and they just help them with place value. And so I'm going to draw a key and a square on paper, and what they look like in person are: a square is 100, a line or stick is 10, and a cube or dot is 1. So first things first, I'm going to represent 134. So I need to have a square for 100, 3 10s for 30, and then 4 1s for the 4. So I have 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. And then I'm going to change my equation to 134 subtract 87 equals x. So I can just subtract 87, so I don't have to waste time trying to subtract until I get to 87, and then counting back up how much I subtracted can be difficult for most students. So I'm going to start in the ones place because you never know, you might need to move a 10. So I notice I only have 4 1s, so I do need to move a 10 because I don't have enough to subtract 7 1s. So I'm going to X out this 10 here, and I'm going to draw an arrow moving it to the ones place. And there are 10 1s and a 10, so I'm going to draw 10 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have enough to subtract my 7 1s, so I'll go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll move on to my 10s. I need to subtract 8 10s because I have 80, but I only notice I have 2 10s left in the tens place, so I'm going to go ahead and move 100. And there's 10 10s and 100, so I'm going to draw those: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then I'll go ahead and subtract my 8 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And at this point, this is when the students will add up what they have left. So they'll circle their 1s and see that they have 7 1s left. And then circle their 10s, and there's 4 10s left, which represent 40. And then they'll add these two numbers together. So 40 add 7 is 47. Therefore, x equals 47.